aced it. Well done, Liz. Good
I
work.
will go with... Anna?
It's Justine Ennan, tenable. Haven't secured your place in the final. Bad luck, Liz. Before we say goodbye, though, let's reveal these missing answers, shall we? Any ideas from the team?
Lucy Davenport.
Okay, let's have a look. Williams, number 6. It's Conchita Martinez.
Yeah.
Number 5. It's Lindsay Davenport, which is what you said. Bad advice. After the break, the next member of Jack of all trades tries to top up that pot. It's going to be gripping, so please, no flipping.
That's exciting. Super as locals. Super as chefs. Not robots. Super as flavour.
Insurance, you're speaking to Kate. How can I help?
Hi, I'm interested in arranging some life insurance cover, please.
Okay, as long as you're a UK resident, aged 18 to 64, you can apply for a benefit amount up to... You can apply to make these changes at any time.
Great, I'll go ahead.
Nice hat there.
Make sure your family's future is protected.
10 first names of British Fashion Award winners. Okay, Patrick, who's the right person for this one?
Well, I'm going to hand that over to a fashion expert in the family, and that's Chris 100 metres sprint in Hertfordshire.
So what was your winning time?
13.5.
Wow, you know, I ran something in 13 seconds the other day. I'm off. Is that clear?
It is.
Excellent. Okay, Perlin, here are your 10 clues. Hindmarsh, McDonald, Lager,
Westwood.
is Vivian tenable? Yeah, there she is. Well done. All right then, Perlin, you're doing really well. You're 2 correct answers away from £1,000 and your place in the final. And you still got your life. So what's your next answer?
Calm.
Nice one. Look at this. You're doing really well here. Still got your nominates and you got your life. This is your last chance to nominate and the last chance for Patrick to overrule.
Okay. You didn't use me direct.
I'm surprised you didn't go for Ronald. So Perlin, that was untenable. So you've lost your life now. Be careful here. Okay. Sarah Burton. What's the next one? It is Ralph Lauren, which is what you said. Next one? Manolo Blahnik. We have one last list before Captain Patrick faces his tower and attempts to win back Liz ahead of the final.
Thank you. How are you?
Enjoying yourself so far?
I am really good, so thank you.
I'm told you're learning French.
Me?
Très bien. Now I hear you're really into hard mango. My favourite type of smoothie. Was it worth it, Berlin? Worth the wait, eh? Okay, Johnny, time to tackle your...
Well, the first one that comes into mind is Dancing Queen, so...
Okay, let's have a look, shall we?
Yes, please.
Is Dancing Queen actually with number 10? Alright then, Johnny, let's have another answer.
Oh, goodness, this is very...
So don't forget, you've got your nominee.
Can I nominate again?
Who would you like to nominate?
Anthony again, please.
Anthony, you're back on the spot here. Can you give Johnny another answer?
Another one that springs to mind is
Thank you very much.
And you've still got your life. You're one answer away from £1,000 and that place in the final.
I'm thinking of this one in my head.
I'm afraid that is So for £1,000 and a place in the final, is Chiquitita tenable? Hey, what do you want to do?
I'm going to stop here, thank you.
You decided to spend the money, we'll add that £1,000 to your prize fund.
Thank you.
And you are guaranteed a place in the final with your captain over there. Well, John, you've added £1,000 to your prize fund, giving your team a delightful total of £17,000. And you'll return later on to play with him.
Poppy's my favourite in the whole wide world. Okay, absolute second favourite. Everything you love.
Find hundreds of Sainsbury's products now price matched at Aldi.
What happened to Judo?
Help leave bleeding gums behind. Of course it does.
What is my purpose?
Paperwork. This needs to go into that.
Why not?
The return of the non-stop show. Anton Deck Saturday night takeaway starts Saturday at 7 on
Possible shape before you play for the jackpot. Are you up to it?
Yep.
Fantastic. Patrick, please join me to play Terrible. And of course, you can't overrule yourself. Here is your question. 10 surnames of people called Mary. Right, I'm just going to clarify that.